Well, okay, you guys can go into our, and we have a new thing we got now. It's gonna be called giving in a little bit. The description will be in the description. The links and the stuff will be in the description. We're currently working on getting more stuff out for you guys and stuff like that for the iWest.com team and the Facebook people. But I have a headache still, and tonight they say it's supposed to rain late. I hope it doesn't rain, because I don't want my stinking brother in the closet with me. Like, when I'm in there, when I'm in there, it's dry, but when somebody else is in there, oh my god. It's like, we're trying to get, like, I'm gonna mix up. It's like, how many of you guys know about ringtones? If you guys know about ringtones, then you came to the right place. You can get our ringtones, and, my head hurts, man. I think I always comes to me like we got our new video, one new video on it, y'all. One new video, just and you, actually, you guys can text us now to get downloads and stuff. You guys can text us. You can text the whole my website name in all caps, not the .com. It's iWesley, my name, like the website name. It's iWesley, not the dot or the com. It's iWesley in all caps. And when there's like, I'm gonna give you guys like a little tour of it in a minute and show you guys how to get the videos and stuff and all that stuff. It's still kind of uploading one video. We have one picture on it, y'all, but we're still looking on where we can get our own ringtones at and where we can upload our own videos at. Because we have some music that you guys don't even have it at, or like we can get it because we know where we can get it at. But we like you guys watch it at com. But we have a site. It's a free site that we use. It's called Microsoft Office Live. It's a small business. It's copyrighted until 2011. I own the site. I do the site maintenance, and we were trying to get some t-shirts made, and you can actually go to mixer.com. Just look up anything you want, free ringtones and stuff. Like, we can actually upload video images on our mix to our little thing. And I'm gonna go to this, open this, go to my video page on my YouTube, and I can upload images, videos from that, and use that to upload my images and stuff, and I can use that, and now I don't see where my recording's at. And I have a headache. Tired. As soon as I push it out, also, if you want to like watch this video, I'm gonna like all the stuff, all the links will be in the description. This is just one recording I'm trying to catch up. We now have ringtones set up for you guys. A major part of our new segment, I'm figuring out how to get t-shirts made. Where you can actually buy t-shirts that have my face on it. I was like coming over where you can have it. But I'm getting tired. I'm getting a headache. I'm gonna get off. I have a headache. I'm about to take some ibuprofen, y'all. But now in front of the camera. I'm gonna do like our new YouTube video, like the handy even like I could watch my YouTube videos on my phone. You can watch my YouTube videos on your phone. And it's like, it's like, you guys, I want to watch us. I want to go back to stuff that's cool because I recorded. I just want to tell you guys that we have pretty toes. Ringtones, and we're currently waiting to see when we can gonna get some distributive. Cause we're still looking for ringtone sites that will let us have like a little mobile site where people can go and download them. But here's a couple of them. Well, here's a police sound.
America's Third Party.
And now it's some of the ringtones, so bye y'all.